You know, before we put that thing in, we used to take all the coffee grounds out to the garden. Oh, and the plants, they love those grounds, especially the tomatoes. There is nothing like a tomato sandwich in the summer. They just love growing in that heat. Whew. Not me. I'm melting in this heat. See, I like it more in the 60s. I think it was 64 we first put in the AC, and I know it was the same year that the O'Malleys moved in down the street. See, we're at 772, they're at 727, so we get each other's mail all the time. So I take it all down to them and I say, hey, you can keep the bills. Come in.
That's for me.
Supply House, Pro Parts, at Pro Speed.